So guys, welcome now. If you are new to this channel, before you go, please don't forget to subscribe. I need to subscribe, like, and share. Now, a quick analysis on our Euro USD for today. As we can see now, our prediction for yesterday was actually correct when I predicted that our Euro will actually be falling about yesterday, at least 50 to 60 pips, and which we were able to grab about that yesterday. As you can see, I'm gone on my 1 hour time frame. As you can see, our price fell. We can see as we can see that our price has fallen, right? We are having this thing called a retracement, a pullback, right? And today, guess what? We are now actually going down. We are waiting to break our previous lower lows. These are previous lower lows. We are waiting to break below it. As you can see right now, we are at Sydney to Tokyo section, which we are still about 5 to 6 hours to London section. So at least by the probably on London section, we should be able to break below it, or in London section during that time when the price is at least the market is volatile, we should be able to break below it. So what do we think we are going this way? We are already on a downward trend. As we've gone down, we have gotten retracements, we are actually going down. Our uptrend on our 4 hour time frame is actually over, and we are actually going down. You can see about yesterday when I predicted that our price will actually be falling. So our candlestick for yesterday, we actually fell. We are going. So today we are definitely going to be falling. Between today and tomorrow, we should actually be falling to this our 1.064. 1.064. Currently we are at 1.071. We should be aiming to 4 bits to hit our target, which is 1.064. Between today and tomorrow, at least we should be able to hit it today, and if not, we should be able to hit it then tomorrow. That should be giving us about 71 pips or 74 pips that I'm saying, before we can actually see probably a change in movement. Or let's aim to hit, if you have to take your sell position now, you should be able to grab 74 pips on our Euro USD, exactly what I am planning to trade, by the way. So on our 4 hour time frame now, we've gotten this pullback. We're actually waiting for a fall, right, on our 4 hour time frame, exactly what our Euro will be moving. And our 1 hour time frame, as you can see, our Euro too is still falling, by the way. As you can see, our price failed to break above this. Assume our price break above this previous lower highs, our previous lower highs, this lower highs. Assuming this our price, as our price fell here, let me highlight it very well for you. As our price fell here, right, we got a mini pullback. Assuming it broke above it, then probably we might have a change of direction, but unfortunately it does not. Our price drops. Definitely we are actually dropping, by the way. Let's see before our London session if we can take our trade and grab a 38 to 40 pips. If we can take our sell position and grab hit this our 1.067, that's at least 40 pips to grab before our opening section, London session. Definitely you should be able to accomplish that. And I don't think there's a major movement that will change the direction of our price today, because all the news currently we are at this we are at 3:56 a.m., about 4 a.m. And guess what? We will be waiting for our Euro news by 7 a.m., which the news is a low impact news, which will not have much impact on our forex for today. We can see Euro, and guess what? Around that 7:45, we'll be having a Euro one, which is about the French government budget balance, which will have a low impact on our forex for today. Spanish manufacturing PMI, we can see it by 8 a.m. And what again do we have? We also have Italian manufacturing PMI. We also have the French final manufacturing PMI. We also can see from 8:45 to about 9 a.m. we'll be having Euro news, and most of it are low impact news, apart from the one we'll be having at 12 p.m. So which will be the ECB president's speaks, which will have at least a medium impact news. So there's no news that we might be suspecting or see that might change the direction of our movement we'll be planning to trade. We are planning to shut it now. So there's no major news that can actually see that will let us maybe probably change our direction of our movement to go upward. So no major news. So for that, let's take our shorting position straight downward on our Euro USD for today. So thank you very much. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you.